All right, guys, check it out. It's Demonology, and I'm here with the B5 Beast.
Yes, sir.
It's a twin turbo
Scat pack.
Scat pack.
Yes,
okay, so tell us about your twin turbo Scat pack.
so me and my dad built the car in my garage. It's a 2015 Scat pack, 6.4 base. Did a stroker kit through MMX 422, and the Hellion twin turbo kit got 64 millimeter turbos.
Oh wow! So can you see the turbos from here, or are they under the bottom? So
you can look behind the front tire right
and
here,
see
you
it.
can see it peeking under.
Yeah.
You can't see it from under the hood.
So what do you see when you lift the hood? What kind of intake is on it?
So we got the Holley high ramp.
Okay.
I got the big cowl hood.
Oh yeah, with the Holley high ramp on it. Nice. So have you been enjoying it so far?
Absolutely. Like I said, your event a couple weeks ago was the first time running it. Trying to get the tuning dialed in on the setup.
So who tunes it?
Demon Performance in South Carolina.
Okay. All right, well, we'll run it and see how it does against the stock Demon 170. For sure. And we're going to run Pro Tree, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Let's get it. Let's go. So I'm putting it on the trailer today, but I did finally get to race a car with a Hellion turbo kit with a built TKM engine. So, you know, it is what it is, you know. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what to say. Maybe the car, if it wasn't running its best today, but I'm pretty sure that I'll get to race one up again. But I keep hearing these people talking about putting a Hellion kit on a Demon 170, and man, I don't know. I just don't see it. To me, the Demon 170 runs great the way it is stock. You just got to know how to drive it. Anyway, I'm Demonology. You know what we're doing. Snatching souls, baby. Peace.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top. And if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.